Every person is born with a dream. And I am just a regular boy from Bangladesh. But I am creating something that no one has ever imagined. And that universe I am building with my own hands. Making manga in Bangladesh is not easy. No proper tools, no support. I never stop because I know one day this will make my country proud. This world I am building is not just about fight. It is about pain, dream and battles. A boy who wants to find his true strengths. On this channel you see my entire journey. My drawing, my character design and the birth of my whole comic universe. I know I am nobody, but you support me today. Together we'll create something that millions will read. Just a few days left. The official trailer is coming. Ready?